Hi all, my name is Damien and I will be doing today's presentation on the report by Robert G. Cooper titled Stage Gate Systems, a New Tool for Managing New Products. Today's presentation will include an overview of the report, show the stage gate system, key messages, conduct critical analysis and propose discussion questions for the class to discuss on the forum. The author Robert G. Cooper identifies that there is a need for better management regarding product innovation and to help companies improve their success rates of innovative projects, deliver products faster, reduce the amount of mistakes and the associated time and money involved in those mistakes, and to ensure the companies can sustain innovative growth. To help achieve these goals, Cooper suggests the use of a product management process model called a stage gate system. This system is a conceptual and operational method to manage the life cycle of a product. It is also used as a blueprint to improve the effectiveness and the efficiency of this process. The author also identifies that product innovation is a process, and like other processes, innovation can be managed, and by using a stage gate system, this principle can be applied as a management model. A stage gate system is a management model in which the stages of work are managed by a project leader, who are responsible for meeting the requirements of the stage. Once the requirements are completed, it moves to the gate phase, controlled by senior management, and the product cannot move to the next stage until it is approved by senior management controlling the gate. Senior management can also kill or hold the product, depending on the requirements. This process is then repeated throughout the project life cycle. Although a stage gate system can be as big or as small depending on the project and can include anything specific to meet a company's requirements, the report identifies a typical stage gate system which consists of 5 stages and 5 gates and ends with a post-implementation review. The typical stage gate system in the report consists of Gate 1, Initial Screen, Stage 1, Preliminary Assessment, Gate 2, Second Screen, Stage 2, Definition, Gate 3, Decision on Business Case, Stage 3, Development, Gate 4, Post-Development Review, Stage 4, Validation, Gate 5, Pre-Commercialization Decision, Stage 5, Commercialization, and finally, Post-Implementation Review. Identified below are some key messages from using stage gate system. Basic benefits include it's a disciplined process model, provides a roadmap and direction for all people involved in the product and project, defines roles and responsibilities, defines objectives, enables continual evaluation, ranks projects, focuses resources, has quality control points built into the system, promotes product innovation, helps in faster developments, has fewer failures, encourages better homework, has a strong market orientation, and also promotes parallel processing in the model. After reading this report and conducting a critical analysis, there are 2 main points in which I agree with. Firstly, allocating more resources in the early stages of a project. This is something I'm very familiar with, especially regarding my background in construction management, and I have used in the past procurement methods like early contractor involvement. This helps in finding any problems in the design phase where it is less expensive to fix than in the later stages of the construction phase or implementation phase. The second point I agree with is regarding the use of processes, models and systems in innovation projects. I feel though companies need to be creative and innovative, there needs to be something in place to manage things like direction, resources and time. After reading this report, there are two main things that I disagree with. The first is the amount of resources allocated to marketing. Again, maybe this is because of my background in construction, but I feel it is a little too much. The second point is the inflexibility of the process, in which I believe some work should be undertaken in the later stages and gates in preparation for work to be carried out on them later. I have 3 questions proposed to the class to be discussed on the forum. First question: does the process model need to be updated due to technological advance, due to the report being written 25 years ago? Second question: is there any way to add some flexibility in the process? Third question: are there any similar processes being used today which may have already been updated? Thanks for listening to my presentation.